Oh, you know, boundaries. Guys, I'm taking off this makeup. Make sure your face is very smooth before you go for any makeup, so that you will help the makeup artist work to be easier, faster, and more fun. Check out my face. Check out my face. So guys, I'm about to take this makeup. Since I applied this makeup, a lot of tears have been pouring out from my eyes. It just stopped now. Maybe it's because I'm having little catarrh, maybe. So I'm about to clean it up right now. Guys, I feel like not removing this makeup. Should I not remove it? Should I remove it? Must I remove it? Because the makeup too fresh. Okay, my baby says remove it. Oh no. Oof. Potty. I can get the milk potty.
Okay, so
so guys, that is it. I'm about to wipe it off. God. Huh? Makeup. What is it called? Tears dealt with me today. Like from the beginning of this makeup. You guys will see the video now, or maybe you have watched it. Like for real. Oh, these eyebrows look like. Don't remove it. Oh, the eyebrows are begging me. For real. Just for how much? Just for a birthday photo shoot. Delete. The makeup is gone now. Chakam. Bakam. So this is the real, and then this one is me. My eyebrows were already looking like someone that they are done with fixing her brows. Ooh. If this was daytime, my baby will not recognize me, Sha. Maybe she will. I tried so much to come back early to make some content, but I ended up coming this late. Guys, pardon me. I think I should just remove the eyebrows for even the eyelashes, because it's like I will remove it. But it's like a guys. Just for makeup. Oh, so bad. So bad. But this makeup is so fine. You needed to have seen me physical. Everybody were like, oh man, you look so beautiful. Wow. You look so beautiful. Blah blah blah. One of the reasons I haven't done the makeup since I came to this place was I was just confused and falling into the wrong hands. Because any product that you use on your face matters a lot to how your face gets ruined or good. So this makeup have shown me, or their products, simply means that they are using a very very good and healthy product. And guess what? I will be going back. But I don't know when. But I'm definitely going back to get another makeup. But I don't know when. The makeup are so good and they're so accommodating. Very, very accommodating. Ooh. They were applying everywhere. My neck, everywhere around my face. Happy birthday to me. So guys, I'm now back in my full self. So this is now my real face.